The multi-purpose tool that comes with the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 2.0 sewing machine is quite a handy little tool. So just a quick review, it has 3 things we used it for in these videos, and we'll link to them up in this upper right hand corner. So first, you'll notice that the tool has a little opening or a place where you can drop a needle in and help insert it into your machine, or vice versa. When you loosen the screw on your needle, slide the tool up the needle and it will catch it so it will fall right into here and not down into your machine. It also has that flat side of, it's not just a circle or a hole, it's actually flat on the back. So when you put your needle down in there, the flat side stays to the back of the machine. Next, we just did some video on sewing on the button. And this would create that extra shank of thread if you needed that distance between your button and your fabric for it to actually button to another piece of fabric. And the third one we used it for is when you're actually doing and going up and over a really thick denim seam. That's a great way to kind of level the presser foot out so it's not going up the mountain and down the mountain and giving you different lengths of stitches, and keeping it so you don't have to push the fabric through. This little guy, there's a thin side or a thick side, so if your seam is really thick, use the thicker end, but that will help level out your foot when going over really thick seams.